good, boss babes? Welcome back to my channel. This your girl Boss Lady. Be coming back with another video. If you are a subscriber, hello, thanks for stopping by, boss babes. If you're new, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment, because your girl got a lot of content coming since we are in the house. I have a lot coming for this video, but in this particular video I am going to be doing a chit chat while I package up some orders. So if you don't know, I'm Boss Lady V, and I have my own, eventually could be a one-stop shop cosmetic line. And so I have so much coming for my rebrand, and I'm trying to actually have everything done by the second week of April. Basically, I'm just waiting on all my inventory to come in. But your girl got new lashes, new lash boxes. I have handbags coming. I have lipsticks. I have new lip gloss tubes, which I'm going to give y'all a sneak peek of one of my tubes that I am dropping. Isn't it cute, guys? I was gonna wait till my unboxing, but I'm gonna show y'all a sneak peek. This is the Boss Lady collection that's coming out, and then I have one more tube that I'm dropping, and it's just gonna be a bunch of cute colors. So I have 4 orders that I have to do, and I actually wrote the names on them and the codes, and we're going to get these orders. The first order is Nicole. So she ordered 2 of these she ordered 2 of the lashes, and I got them packaged up real cute, and this is how they come unpackaged. So I just put them in these little bags right here, and put a thank you for your order, and then number 1, so you know I know which went out. So she ordered 2 number 1s, and then she ordered the these lashes, and then she got a free lip gloss because she ordered 3 lashes. So all those. Put all of these in this bag right here. And then I get a business card. I got some new business cards coming that will be in the unboxing, but these are my old ones. So I'll put one of those in there, and then I got these thank you for your order stick little thingies. I have a lot of them, so I'm gonna start putting them in orders, and then I'll write a little note on the back of it for her, you know, her purchase in the order. And then they will also get code. So all of that will go in there. I just gotta find what I did with my other thank you stickers. Not thank you stickers. My other messing you guys up. I have a tripod, but your girl been so lazy. I wanted to get this video out. Now it's all blurry. There you go. Sorry, but I wanted to get this video out. So hold on, let me cut this one. I want to get the video out. So basically, that will go in there, and I actually remember where I put my other ones at. So I went and got those. So this is my second order, and she ordered these 2. She actually gets I'm giving free lip gloss with any lash order. So I'm going to give her this gloss right here. I'm going to put her free gloss on. Free gloss. Give her free gloss. And then we're going to put both of them in here. And then she'll get, oh, I forgot to put the little brushes in here. We're going to throw them in there. It's all packaged up in there. And then put my little sticky notes on my orders because I got a little cheating code of how I know what order is what, so when I turn them off or whatever. Put two of the brushes and then business card and then one of these. So that's in there. And then she just ordered one. And she gets a free lip gloss too. And this can be two. So I'm just gonna put her lip gloss in here. Let's give her this gold one. Got a little ball on it. Put her gloss in here. Like I said, everybody that ordered on the website will get a free gloss. Because your girl is rebranding and she's bringing some new things to the store. And all my lashes are $5, and most of my lip glosses is $2, but if you purchase a lash you get one free at random choice of me. So put that in there, and then she gets a free gloss because she ordered a lash. So let's put it this way. We're gonna give her this pink one that has a chair on it, and actually I love these little chairs. So I actually like the little chairs, so I'm actually gonna be putting them on my YouTubes. So, and I have a Boss Lady collection coming, spring collection. So she got her free lip gloss. I didn't want it dangling in there, so I just put it in this little bag. And she gets a little card, and then this is card. So that is all in there. And it's not gonna fit in this bag or whatever, and I don't want to fold it up, so I would just write on the back of this thing right here her little code that she can use for her next order, which would be the same code on here, but it won't fit in there. So those are all of the orders that I have. And like I said, I have lashes on my site for $5. Here go one of them. These are mine, but right here, and then I have this one, and then I have some other ones. But I packed up these orders, and it's pretty late, I normally work late when my kids are asleep. I normally get the orders that I need to get out because I try to ship out with the next day or within the next 2 days or whatever. So I try to ship out. So I got these orders this morning, so I will ship them off tomorrow. So in the morning I will print up the packing slips and all that stuff, and the labels or whatever, so I can go ahead and drop them off at the post office. So I done did all that. I only had 4 orders to do, so these will sit on my desk until in the morning. And then right before I go to bed, I will plan in my planner of what's coming up. I have so much coming up, it's ridiculous, with my rebrand and with all the videos that I'm about to drop. The new inventory video coming. Like, I have so many videos coming, so I stay organized and I put it in my business planner. So it's like my business, YouTube, everything in one type planner, which I will be having a video on coming soon, probably this week, on how I stay organized with my business and stuff like that. And I burnt my hand earlier, guys, and it hurts. But anyways, oh, I want to show you some stickers. I'm giving y'all some sneak peeks. Those are these stickers that I got that would be going with my new orders. So look at them. It says Boss Lady. I got them from Amazon and they are so cute. And I'm gonna put them on my my mailers. So like, you purchase an order, and I will put the label over here, and then I will just get a little sticker, and I want to put it in the corner. So they go in the corner right here, and then I have another label sticker right there that says Boss Lady Redesigns or whatever. And I think it'll be so cute. Look at it, so cute. That's another sneak peek. Supposed to be in my inventory haul, but I opened them because I wanted to see them. So that's another sneak peek. So I got a sneak peek of the stickers, and I got a sneak peek of the tubes that I'm dropping, and I think that's all I got. So I don't know, guys. Did y'all look at the video before this one of my room? I really like how it's coming along. I really do. Look. Through the phone, guys. I got this gonna be super organized. I will be having a video of how I organize my inventory. So that video is coming. I'm just blabbering right now. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. I have a lot planned for my business and videos tomorrow, so I might pick up the camera and show y'all. But I got these orders done. I'm probably gonna straighten up my desk a little bit. Probably not, because it's really not dirty in here. But just wanted to bring y'all along while I package up these orders. A little chit chat about the new rebrand and what's coming for Boss Lady Redesign. So I really hope y'all are subscribed. Hit that notification button so you know when I post another video, because y'all love me and want y'all to be some boss babes. So y'all boss babes would know when new things are coming and the first ones to come. And then eventually, coming soon, y'all will have a percent off as my YouTube boss babes. So that is coming next. So until my next video, boss babes, please, 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 please make sure you hit that notification button so you know when I post another video. And until next video, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. For the ones who have ordered from me, I have so much more to come. So until my next video, guys, thanks.